Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we'll be installing 5 adult apps for you to enjoy on your Firestick, Fire Cube, or any Fire TV or Android TV device. Make sure to stay till the end, as after the guide, we will show you how you can get your hands on a brand new Firestick 4K Max absolutely free. If that sounds good, just grab your remote and let's get started. Hey there, fellow streamers. Welcome to the channel dedicated to helping you supercharge your Firestick. As this is a complete guide, we will start completely from scratch. So first, we need to download an app called Downloader. This can be found by heading to the search bar, and as soon as you start typing it in, it should appear at the top of the list. Select it and then click Download. While that's downloading, if I could ask that you hit that subscribe button, it helps out the channel massively and ensures you never miss one of our awesome guides. Once it's downloaded, before we open it for the first time, we need to change a few settings. Hit back a couple of times until you are back at the home screen, then make your way over to the settings icon. Now make your way down to my Fire TV and hit the select button. As you can see, I have developer options already enabled on my device. To enable them, you just need to head into the About section, then click on your device 7 times. You will then get a notification saying you are now a developer. Press the back button, enter the developer options, and click on Install Unknown Apps. You will see Downloader in the list. You can now switch the toggle to On. Keep hitting back on your remote until you get to your home screen. As Downloader is an app that's going to be used a lot in the future, I like to move it to the front of the list. Just head to your apps. Go down to Downloader and press the menu button on your remote. In the side menu, select the option to move app to the front of the list. You may have seen a lot in the news lately about streaming movies and IPTV online, so we would always recommend using a VPN with these apps. We personally recommend using IPVanish, and by following the link in the description or in our bio, you can get up to 83% discount, and it costs just a couple of dollars a month. Here's a quick video of the benefits.
Did you know that your ISP can see all of your streaming activity? While your watch list may not be that interesting, your ISP can also keep track of all of your other online activity. Do you feel like your privacy is invaded now? With IPVanish, all of your data is encrypted, so your ISP can no longer understand your online activity. Protect your internet privacy today with IPVanish.
Just click the link in the description to register and ensure your privacy. Once that's all done, we will now head to the Downloader app. And once you've opened it up, you just need to head to the search bar, as we are going to need to type in this code. Just make sure you type it in exactly as you see here, as any mistakes will result in it not working or downloading the completely wrong app. When you're done, just head down and hit the Go button. The app will then start to download. It should only take a moment, but exactly how fast depends on your internet connection speed. Once it's done downloading, you just need to follow the on-screen prompts, and Downloader will install the app onto your device. When it's finished, just click Done, and we can now delete the install files to free up the space on your device. Press the Home button and head to your apps, and you will now see it installed. Now we can head back to Downloader and use the next code to download another app. Once inside, we just need to head up to the search bar and clear the code for the previous app. Okay, so now we can type in the following code exactly as you see here. Remember, it needs to be this exact code to make sure we are downloading the correct one. When you're finished, click Go, and just like before, you will now see it download to your device. Again, just follow the prompts on the screen and the app will then install. It won't take long, and when it's finished, just click Done and remember to delete those install files. Press Home, and if you head over to your apps, you will see you have our second app installed on your device. Okay, for the third app, we will need to enter a new code into Downloader. So just follow the steps to get to the search bar and start typing in this new code. When it's typed in, hit go and wait for it to download. Just as before, you can now follow along with the on-screen prompts and get the app installed. Now press done, and again make sure to delete the install files to free up space. Press the home button, head to your apps, and we can make sure the app is installed. And there it is. So now we can download our next app. Let's head back to Downloader, head back to the search bar and get ready to type in our new code. Just press clear to get rid of the last code and then enter the one you see on screen. When you're done, just press go. The app will now download the files, and then you can again follow the on-screen instructions to install. Just press done when it's finished. You can now press your home button, and if you head to your apps, you will see it in the list. Now we have one more app to go, but don't forget to watch until the end to see how you can get a free Firestick 4K Max. Whoops! I forgot to delete the downloaded files for that last app. Let's go ahead and do that now quick. Now we can head to the search bar and clear the last code. Then, just like the others, type in this last code exactly as you see on the screen. Click go when you're ready and then just wait for it to download. Then, just follow the instructions and install the app on your device. When it's done, you can delete the install files just like before. And that's it. You now have 5 awesome adult apps on your device. Just remember, we always recommend the use of a VPN when using these apps on your Fire Stick, and you can find the links to our recommendations in the description. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're now in with a chance of getting a free Firestick 4K Max. So here's what you need to do. First, you just need to like the video and make sure you've subscribed to the channel. And make sure you hit that notification bell, as every new video we release between now and when we hit 10,000 subscribers will have a question at the end. Today's question is, what's the capital of the USA? If you think you know the answer, just pop it in the comments. And remember, for more chances to win, you can enter at the end of every video between now and when we hit that 10,000th subscriber. We will then add all correct answers into a random comment picker, so the more you answer, the more you win. Good luck, and see you at the next video.